Today I'm gonna be teaching multiplication. It's easy when you know your times table 1 to 12, preferably 1 to 20. Then you'll be superb, you'll be amazing if you know your times table 1 to 20. Here are some questions. Example 1, we have 5 times 3, which is equal to 15. From your times table, which is easy. We have 125 times 3, which is example 2. It is a little bit difficult, so you solve it in your unit form. Use 3 to times everything up. 3 times 5 is 15. We bring a 5 down, we carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. You write it down. 3 times 1 is 3. So 125 times 3 is equal to 375. This is a little complex one. To solve this, you need to put it in your tens and unit form. To solve this, use 2 to times everything up, 1 to times everything up. Take notes. When you are timesing with 2, you start from under 2. When you are timesing with 1, you start under the 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Then move to 1. 1 times 3, we start under the 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Then we add. There is nothing here, so I assume it's 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. There's nothing here, so I assume it's 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 23 times 12 is equal to 276. Now, it is complex because we have decimal points. So this is 1 decimal point, and this is 1 decimal point. Altogether, we'll give you 2 decimal points. So we keep the decimal points. Then, when we are done solving our answer, we will then apply the decimal point. So because 434 times 46. Use 6 to times everything up. Use 4 to times everything up. 6 times 4 is 24. Write 4 down, we carry 2. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Write 0, carry 2. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 6 is the last digit, we bring it down. Then we start. 4 times 4 is 16. We start under the 4. 6, we carry 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. I write 3, I carry 1. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 1, 17. Because it's the last digit, I write it down. 17. Then I add up. Since there's nothing here, is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. And I bring down 1. Then my 2 decimal points, I add it. 1, 2, and I put my decimal points. So 43.4 times 4.6 is equal to 199.64. Watch other students as they solve more different questions of multiplication.
Hello everybody, my name is Jameson. I'm 4 plus 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So write the 8 down. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 times 3 is 4. After I got 2, now do the 3. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So you now write the 2 down and now put the 1 up here. And then now do 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Put the 0 here. Now put the 1 here. So 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 7. Put the 7 here. Then you now add. Now do 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. Now do 0 plus 7 is 7. Now come 1, 2, 3. Put color.
Hello everyone, my name is Ofla Samari. I'm plus 5. Let me go. 5 plus 7 is 35. You put your 5 and carry your 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. You put your 8 and then you carry your 1. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Look at that. Now you use 4. 4 times 7 it is 28. 8 here and 12 here. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 4 here and 4 here and 1 up here. 1 plus 1. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25. You now use your sum. Sometimes 7 is 49. You will now put your 9. And then you will now carry 4. Sometimes 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. You put your 5 and then you carry 2. 7 times 6 it is 42. 42 plus 2 is 44. 44. I now add oh. 5 plus 0 and there's nothing. 5 and there's nothing here, so you just put your 5 back. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 here and you carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 here and 1 up here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 it is 14. You put your 4 and then you carry your 1. 1 plus 2 it is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. This one there's nothing here and there's only 4, so you just bring down your 4 back. It's my when I count 1, 2, 3, you put your decimal point and this is my answer.